Good afternoon. My name is Michelle Giovannini and I'm with Corteva Agriscience. Today I'll be providing an update on our active projects with IR4. Starting with insecticides. A tolerance petition for Intrepid 2F methoxyfenazide on fig with an extension to the whole subgroup 23B was submitted in 2023 and the updated PREA date is Q1 2026. For the spinetoram containing products Delegate and Radiant, the labels have been updated to include asparagus, greenhouse cucumber, greenhouse leafy greens, and greenhouse pepper and tomato. Sesame residue trials are complete with a pending submission, and we will be starting a residue study on olive this year. The spinosad label and trust has also been updated with the same crops. We have pending submissions for sesame and for succulent pea, which are both seed treatments. For sulfoxaflor, Enclosure SC and Sequoia CEA, mango, quinoa, and dry-shelled pea residue studies are complete and ready for submission. Additional pending submissions include greenhouse cucumber, leafy greens, and greenhouse pepper and tomato. Corteva introduced Kinreza at the IR4 technology session in 2025, and a number of projects were prioritized at the food use workshop. Efficacy and crop safety trials with tiapirichlor are set to begin in 2026 on greenhouse tomato, greenhouse pepper transplants, and on safflower. Moving on to the herbicides. For Embed Extra, which is 2,4-D-choline, we've completed crop safety trials and the residue study on strawberry is ongoing. For clopyralid Stinger HL, the hazelnut tolerance petition has been submitted with a PREA date of Q1 2026. Just a note, hazelnut will only be added to the high-load Stinger formulation and not to Stinger. Crop safety trials for field pennycress are starting in 2026. For starane containing fluroxypyr, we have an ongoing residue study on mint with an estimated submission of Q2 2027 that will also include rye. For Matrix SG, rimsulfuron, olive and pomegranate have been approved for use in California. An avocado residue study is ongoing with a target submission in 2027. Rinskor is fluorperoxyfen benzyl, the active Enloyant and Hulk herbicides. Please note that Rinskor has a tolerance exemption, and we only require efficacy and crop safety trials. A 24C for wild rice has been approved in California, while date palm is pending. Also pending EPA submission is blueberry, coffee, papaya, and hazelnut. Efficacy and crop safety trials are ongoing for pomegranate. Qlex herbicide is a formulation blend of Arylex and flurazolam. We have a pending submission for rye and a new project on hazelnut that will start in 2026. Moving on to the nematicides and fungicides. Celebro is Reclamil or fluazindolazine. IR4 has residue studies ongoing for mint, radish, and hops. Target submission is in 2027. A pineapple study had to be canceled, and our project is on hold. And efficacy and crop safety trials are ongoing for dry bulb onion and for banana. For Curzate fungicide, we have efficacy and crop safety and residue ongoing with a target submission in 2028. This is for strawberry. For Tanos fungicide, a blend of amoxidone and cymoxanil. Root vegetable, subgroup 1B, brassica leafy greens, and succulent and dry-shelled bean have been submitted in 2023. The PREA date is Q4 of 2026. And the California submission is targeted for 2027. And last but not least is penthiopyrad, Infantelis fungicide. The submission for avocado is targeted for this quarter. Thank you for your attention. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to Karen or myself.